Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, to my video. Today I'll be talking about when this sideways is going to end and where BTC will end up next. Let's revisit the higher time frame. Currently we have this quarterly breakout, and this breakout has been very bullish in my opinion, because this breakout is going to last for a few months to come. So right now, are we still going up? Yes, we're still going up. And right now we just actually so if I draw it like this using this arrow, we're actually in this phase where we have a retracement of the weekly, and the weekly retracement is about to end and should be ending right about now. So if this is the weekly, this is another time frame below the weekly, and right now we are in this sideways movement. The sideways movement needs to end very soon. So yes, of course we don't know when it's going to end, but we can see signs that it's hitting this 25k, and 25k is about to break sometime very soon. Right now what we have is that we have this breakdown of this line. So let me delete some lines. Right, we have this going down. And how low can it go? It can go this low, right? And after that, it can go up from here or from here. The reason why I draw it from here is because we have a lot of signs that this is going up from around this area. But then logically, according to theories, it should go down. Okay, it's a bit confusing now with the lines. Logically, we should see something like this. And here, then we can draw this line. And after that, we can see a breakout of the 25k. Oh right, this is USDT inverted chart of USDT. This is not BTC, but it moves exactly like BTC, and in many cases where you see a lot of fluctuations and spikes on BTC, on USDT dominance, it is less visible. I mean, the trends are more stable, so that's why I use this. So that's high time frame, and now we're looking at a lower time frame. Lower time frame wise, we have this breakdown from a few days ago, and after the breakdown I was saying that we would go this way. I'll be drawing again. So I said that we'd be going this way before the daily breakdown, before we see a line breakdown here. Let's do a replay. Okay, let's switch to BTC. This is what I was saying. So BTC bounced on the support region. It's quite strong. And then I was saying that, so in the group, like I told a lot of people, in the group we trade every day, and at about this point I kept saying long, 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 and we long all the way up to here. But what I was expecting was something like this. So I was expecting a retracement at the A, and this is going to be a 4-hour green line trend going up, down, and up. But of course it doesn't always go according to plan. Nothing is perfect. So what happened was it went up, all the way up here, before going down all the way down here. So if we go according to the previous plan, then it should be like this, right? Yeah. And right now we have this very silly move. I say silly because it makes the C, it puts the C here, and after it puts a C here, it is supposed to be an ABC breakdown, because according to the downtrend, the downtrend is not over, so it should be a breakdown after this point C going down. But it's not happening, because we see a breakout of this green line, and it shows that it's going up. So what can happen is that if this breaks, I expect the downtrend to be over. Yeah. So can we say that, let me redraw this, it's looking too messy. Right. I'll keep this here. Okay, I'll close this. Right. For the downtrend from the top, this is what we are seeing right now. I can't put the C. I don't know where to put the C. I think it should be somewhere here, but it's just looking so weird. So we have two scenarios. Scenario number one, we're going down here. Okay, that's scenario number one. Before we finally go up. Scenario number two is something strange. This. Or this. Well, it should be at a lower low. I mean, it should be at low, so it should be around here. Yeah, this is looking strange, but right now that's the logical explanation to this trend, right? So if this breaks, we go up. If it doesn't, then we should expect a downward movement. So it will resume the previous plan. is going up, down, and up. So it's going to make A, B, C before this is going to be a retracement before going further down. And then it completes the bigger ABC. Okay, so let's see which one is true. Right now, if we look at the a lower time frame, right, we have this sideways movement, which I don't like at all. So we have this sideways movement, and yes, we have a breakout. And look at this. This long wick at the top means that there's a lot of selling pressure, and the selling pressure is pushing the price down, pushing the trend to go down, to reverse in the opposite direction. I hope it doesn't do that, because I am in long. So I have long from the bottom. And not BTC, I long alts like the APE, APT, FTM. Right. So yeah, that's it about BTC. That's my update. And of course we have this big range. Are we going to, is BTC going to escape and end this range? Whether it's downwards or upwards, it's good both ways. Okay, so if it goes downwards, then it follows the trend and it goes back up, it can bounce. Then if it breaks out, better. But we just keep our long, keep longing. There's nothing much to talk about really. Technical analysis, easy peasy. Hey Frank. Let me talk about hedge mode. That's that I was saying. I was telling the group earlier. So if you use hedge mode, if you're used to using hedge mode, then it can be good for you, because there is certain amount of risk using hedge mode. The risk is that you don't know where it's going, and you use hedge mode. And when you're in profit, let's say you long here. Okay, you made a bad decision. You think it's going up, it's a reversal, so you long here. Okay, this shouldn't be the case, like 3.5%. Let's say you long here. Okay, after you long, the price dropped. Because why? Because this is bound to drop, because it made a reversal. So it's bound to drop, and it's in downtrend. It's in the downtrend. It's bound to drop. But you long here, nevertheless. So, okay, fine, you long here. So how do you use hedge mode to mitigate this loss? Then, after you see a breakdown, you short. You short. So you short and long at the same time. So, like I said, the reason why you can make a loss using hedge mode is that let's say you long and short at this point, but then when the price went down, you didn't close your short. You kept your short. Okay, you kept your short and price went down, you kept it, and then the price went up, you still kept it, and the price made a breakout of the previous high, and you still keep it, you kept it, okay? And then now the price went up, now you're still stuck in this hedge mode. So you have to decide, you have to know the direction where this is going. If this is in downtrend and it's going down, okay, fine, you short. So you short and you close your long. Let's say you short and long at this point, okay? And you know that, okay, now we are thinking that this is going down, right? Because we have a downtrend. Now you know the right direction that this is going down. So you short and long here. You know that this is going down, but you're afraid that this is going up further. So how do you know when to close your long? So you close your long when you can close your long here. Let me zoom in, make it bigger. So there's a breakdown of this price here. You can close the long here at this level, price level. It's very not obvious. Let me use a white line. Okay, you can see that, right? So you can close the long here because it's a breakdown. It's a breakdown of the price of the trend. The trend is now moving from going up to going down. So it crosses this point. That's the trend reversal. So you close the long. If you still have the long, you want to confirm the reversal, then you want to make sure that this uptrend is broken. You want to confirm that. Then fine. You see this low here? This low here? Okay. So it went up, the whole trend went up, and at this point there's a low here, and the price went up for a bit of retracement correction before finally breaking down. So at this point you should really close your long. So if you close your long here, that means your entry is here. This is your entry. So your entry is not here anymore, because at this point your position makes no profit or loss, because you know it's in hedge mode. But when you close your long here and the price goes down from this point onwards, then that's your profit. Okay, that's your profit. So you need to know where the direction is going. So with our strategy with still sell, how we see is that we analyze the layers of trends, layers of time frames. We analyze the layers and we combine every single layer to make up the whole market structure. So that's how you use hedge mode. So for example, right now, you're long, and you short. Okay, so which one is going to win? Is it long or short? So like I said, right now we have a breakout, right? We have a breakout, but look at this. It's making a long wick at the top, which means that there's a lot of selling pressure. This can reverse down because we don't have an uptrend yet. So this is an uptrend. Okay, we don't have an uptrend. We only have a breakout. So with a breakout, if you long here and you short at the same time, what you can do is that you let go of the short when this breaks out. Okay, when this breaks out, you let go of the short. If this breaks down this point, okay, you see this low here? When this breaks the low, you keep your short, and with that, it's going to be like this. Okay, now you'll be looking at this going down to break the daily, and then this will go down all the way to 22.6k. Okay, roughly. So that's how you use hedge mode. So with hedge mode, first you can mitigate the loss of a retracement. So for example, I should use text here. If you short here, yeah, if you short here, because you just saw that it's, you know, it's breaking down and you just want to short, then you short here. Okay, fine, short here. So how do you mitigate this loss because of the retracement? It's a low here, so you open short at the same time because you want to short. It's in downtrend, you want to short. But this short, it's difficult for you to put your stop loss, and you can just adjust the stop loss according to the risk tolerance that you have. Then now, what are you going to do? So if you short here, it's really bad. But you use hedge mode, so when the price moves back, you don't lose anything. So when the price retraces up, you don't lose anything. The price went up all the way up here. Okay, it's a bad decision. You think that you're short. Okay, shorting is not good, but still, we don't know. This is in downtrend, so you're thinking that the price will go up before further going down. So yes, the price went up. So remember, you're still in hedge mode, so you don't lose anything. Then now, price breaks this point. Okay. So when the price breaks that point, you let go of the long. So that means your short will start here. Or what you can do is that you still keep your short and long at the same time. So that was a long here. So you keep your short and long at the same time. The price went down, but you think that maybe it's going to go up again because, you know, it hasn't broken the low yet. Okay, so the price really went up for a retracement, a second another retracement. Okay, so at this point, when it's turning back down, you have to let go of the long, because it means that there's a slight breakdown and it is making a really a bearish setup. So with the breakdown and a lower high, with the lower high, you set up your short, and now it's ready to go down. So this is what is happening right now. So I'm bullish because I think that BTC can break 25k, and we are still in range. So it goes down, goes up, goes down, it can still go up. Okay, so and it makes A, B, C, D, E. Oh no, sorry, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. So or you can make ABC. Right, so I'm still bullish, but this can happen because we are still in this downtrend, right? This is still a downtrend. So because this is still going down, down, up, down, we are anticipating that this will break. Okay, so that's how you use hedge mode. You can use hedge mode on low time frame, 15 minute, 3 minute. The theory is the same. Okay guys, that's it for BTC update. BTC is still in this range, and like I said, there's still a downtrend direction, so we can go down. Okay, from this point we can still go down. It's good if it does a breakout. If it shows a breakout here, then it can go up, it can reverse up. But now I really don't know where it can go. I mean, where it's going. It can go down or go up. So yeah, we anticipate both. Okay, thank you for listening. Press the like button and subscribe, comment. See you again.